wabarakatuh. My name is Puji Astuti. I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I want to explain about the benefits of fasting in a scientific perspective. Every year, Muslims perform fasting in the month of Ramadan. Fasting is an obligatory religious activity for all Muslims. The benefits of fasting can relate to science. The benefits of fasting from a scientific perspective can prevent premature aging, stimulate cell repair, and control blood sugar. Firstly, one of the factors that cause a person to experience wrinkles quickly is when they cannot control their emotion. However, when fasting, Allah commands His slave to control his anger. It can prevent premature aging. Fasting can also prevent premature aging because the body can produce beta-hydroxybutyrate or ketones, which can delay the aging of blood vessels. In addition, according to research on fasting, mice that do fast daily experience a delay in the rate of aging and live 83% longer than mice that do not do fast. Secondly, when fasting, the body cells begin to perform autophagy. This process includes the breakdown of damaged or aging cell components. Therefore, fasting can help us recycle fats and proteins from these cells. This process is also a cell mechanism to divert the use of nutrition for more important processes. Thus, fasting makes old and damaged cells more quickly destroyed, and it will replace them with new cells when there is a return of nutrition. Thirdly, fasting can streamline the work of insulin in the body to especially process glucose into energy and flow it through the bloodstream to the body cells. So, fasting helps a person control blood sugar in the body. According to research, 10 people with type 2 diabetes tend to decrease significantly after undergoing blood sugar fasting. Based on my explanation above, the conclusion is that benefits of fasting from a scientific perspective can prevent premature aging, stimulate cell repair, and control blood sugar. That's all my explanation about the benefits of fasting in a scientific perspective. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.